So cloning a Git repo in Python 3. I recently came across a case where I wanted to programmatically edit and update a GitHub repo, and what better language to use than Python? My personal favorite. My first go at the problem had me thinking of .bat files since I came from a Windows background. Therefore, I had expected to have to run my Python script, exit, clone the repo, then continue on with the execution of the Python script. This would have complicated the workflow, and I would have had to write a shell script to coordinate the Python shell Python maneuver. Enter stage left, subprocess.call. I continued digging and eventually came across a very nifty module named subprocess, which allows us to execute bash commands while still running through our Python script. It'll look like the following. Make sure you have Git installed. Now you can edit the files that were downloaded or manipulate the info however you see fit. First things first, like I said, make sure you have Git installed on the machine. I don't believe we get Git out of the box on most machines. That'll be manual. It's succinct and clean. No need for additional bash files. You can stay in your preferred language and not stress about synthesizing that coordinating file. Even better, if you're using something like Apache Airflow, you can continue on with your typical scheduling instead of having to introduce cron or edit your workflow to get that scheduled. Regardless, this will be sure to save you some time, especially if you're working with programmatically editing GitHub repos. Happy programming, and have a good one. Stay safe, everybody.